What if the key to accepting others was first accepting yourself? What if understanding your natal chart could give you grace for your partner's communication style, patience with your friends' emotional needs, and the tools to nurture your child's authentic nature? I'm Teresa, and this is where we decode your cosmic blueprint. In previous videos, I've talked about helping you stop asking what's wrong with me and start asking what do I need? Your moon sign holds the answer to that second question. It's where we begin the integration work of understanding your emotional operating system so that you can finally stop abandoning yourself in relationships. See, you think you know yourself because you know your sun sign, but your sun sign is who you are in the daylight when you're confident, conscious, and putting your best foot forward. Your moon sign, however, that's who you are at 2 a.m. when you can't sleep, when you're stressed, when your guard is completely down. And that's the energy your loved ones live with every single day. Your moon sign is determined by where the moon was when you were born. While your sun sign shows your core identity, your moon sign reveals how you process emotions, what you need to feel safe and nurtured, your instinctive reactions under stress, and the emotional climate that you create in your relationships. Think about your partner when they're hangry, exhausted, or overwhelmed. That's their moon sign talking. Think about your child's meltdowns. That's their moon sign needing something very specific. When you understand moon signs, you stop taking emotional reactions personally and start seeing them for what they are: information. Let me break this down by elements. Fire moons, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, need excitement, independence, and immediate emotional expression. They process feelings through action. Earth moons, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, need stability, routine, and practical comfort. They process their emotions slowly and need concrete solutions. Air moons, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, they need mental stimulation, social connection, and space to process. They think through their feelings. Water moons, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, need emotional depth, intuitive understanding, and safe spaces to feel. They experience emotions intensely. Let me give you some real life examples so you can see how this plays out. Cancer moon needs emotional security and nurturing. If this is your child, they need extra reassurance during transitions, moving, starting new schools, even changing their bedtime routine. They're not being dramatic. Their moon sign literally needs emotional safety to function. Give them that security and watch them flourish. Now, Aquarius moon, like me, needs space to process emotions intellectually. I used to process my emotions by stepping back and analyzing them completely alone. My ex used to think I was cold when I disappeared during conflict. And honestly, I was shutting down. But here's the growth. With my current partner, who's a Taurus moon, I've learned to say, I'm processing this. Give me a few minutes. And most of the time now, I can work through it in real time. I'm not abandoning myself or the relationship. That's emotional intelligence meeting cosmic intelligence. That's my moon sign evolved. Now, Scorpio moon needs emotional depth and intensity. Surface level, how was your day conversations won't work with them. They need to go deep or go home. If this is your partner, don't take their intensity personal. They're not trying to be difficult. They literally cannot connect through small talk. Give them depth and they will give you loyalty like you've never experienced before. Taurus moon needs physical comfort and stability when processing emotions. Speaking of my Taurus moon partner, let me tell you how different we are emotionally and why understanding that has helped our relationship. They work through their feelings in their body through touch, food, nature, routine. When they're upset, disrupting their physical environment disrupts their emotional world. So if we have conflict, I know to offer a hug first, suggest we talk over their favorite meal, or go for a walk together. Understanding our moon sign differences has turned potential conflicts into pure connection points. So here's what I invite you to do. Look up your moon sign. I'll put a link in the description. Then think about the one recent emotional reaction you had. How does your moon sign explain what you're actually needing in that moment? Now think about someone in your life whose emotional reactions confuse or trigger you. What might their moon sign need that you haven't been providing? This one shift in understanding can transform your relationships forever. Over the coming weeks, I'll show you how all 12 signs play out in parenting, relationships, friendships, and even leadership. You'll learn every moon sign through real life applications that actually matter. No more wondering why your teenager shuts down on you or why your partner reacts the way that they do. Remember, every time you understand your chart more deeply, you create space for others to be exactly who they were born to be. That's how we change the world, one natal chart at a time. Now drop your moon sign below. I read every comment and I want to help you understand your emotional blueprint.